Well, we do have some crystal clear skies right now across northeast Kansas. Any showers are off to our north and east. We've got a little bit of clouds in south central Kansas near Hutchinson and Wichita. We could likely see those push through the area sometime later on this afternoon, but for right now we do have mostly clear skies, and that will continue to be the case through at least lunchtime. We do have some light winds in place though across northeast Kansas. They're pretty calm in some locations, and where our winds are light, that's where we're likely seeing some fog developing, because we do have some cooler temperatures this morning because of those clear skies that we have. We've dropped all the way back to 39 degrees in Marysville and Clay Center, 40 degrees in Manhattan right now. We're at 43 degrees in Topeka and 44 degrees in Burlington this morning. Now, we will warm up pretty nicely this afternoon, but we do have to get rid of this fog first. We've got some patchy fog showing up in a couple locations, down to about half-mile visibility near Topeka. We've got about a half-mile visibility in Marysville as well, so we'll continue to be monitoring this over the next couple of hours, but once the sun really starts to rise for us, that's when this fog will dissipate as we go throughout the morning. Right now we've got to look outside at our central Topeka camera where the sun is on its way up out there. We do have that patchy fog in place just behind the skyline, that darker grayish purple color here. That's that fog showing up for us, and as we go throughout the morning, like I said, it will start to dissipate for us, so don't worry. We've got a really great day coming up for us with mostly sunny skies. Our temperatures will top out in the lower 70s this afternoon. Our winds will be fairly light. They probably will start to increase a little bit later on in the day, but overall, great into the weekend out there to get outside. Overnight tonight, temperatures will drop back into the lower 50s with a little bit more cloud cover in place. It'll keep us a little bit more mild than we were last night. And heading into Monday, temperatures will top out in the upper 70s. Maybe even getting close to that 80-degree mark throughout the afternoon hours. We do have a few chances for some showers and storms though over the next couple of days, so I do want to show you that. Here's a look at our future track starting this at 7:30 a.m. this morning, picking up on those clear skies across the area. And we will likely see some clouds working their way through, just passing clouds throughout the afternoon hours. Most of the time we should have some sunshine, maybe some peaks of sun when we do have those clouds passing through, but that exits the area before we do have increasing clouds throughout the overnight hours tonight ahead of our next system. So this is at 9 o'clock, picking up on a little bit more cloud cover, maybe some scattered showers popping up here and there, but the better chance for showers tonight will be after midnight and into the early morning hours on Monday. That pushes off to the south and east. Might hear a couple rumbles of thunder or so, but then that exits the area by about lunchtime, leaving us with mostly sunny skies. And then the better chance for rain this week will actually be on Tuesday. So this is Tuesday at 5:30 a.m., picking up on those light rain showers in the morning, and then as we go throughout the early afternoon, we could start to see some thunderstorms as well embedded in this activity, and then it pushes off to the south and east throughout the afternoon and early evening. Now we are watching Tuesday's system very closely, because if that system passes through a little bit later, more of us could see some strong to severe storms. As it is right now, we do have a slight risk for severe storms in the yellow shaded area and far southeastern corner of northeast Kansas, so we'll be keeping a very close eye on the system as we go throughout the next couple of days. Now heading into Wednesday though, things cool off behind that cold front. Will drop back into the lower 70s with breezy conditions, and then we do start to warm things up for the end of the week and the start of the weekend with temperatures topping out in the lower 80s.